And what's this stop for?
Suspicious behavior.
Suspicious is not a crime.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Call a supervisor, please.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Call a supervisor, please.
Do you have your driver's license?
I don't feel comfortable reaching around.
You can either produce a ID or you can go to jail for failure ID.
So
which one do you want?
This isn't a stop and identify state.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Produce your ID.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Do you guys want to see a cop do the walk of shame after this man knows his rights like an absolute legend? You've come to the right place, folks. Make sure you go check out this guy's channel. I'd like to see this guy drop more videos like this. One thing I want to talk about before we let you watch the video is there is absolutely no such thing as a stop and ID state. That is a play on words to make us believe that some of us have to identify upon request, but in all 50 states, cops still need to have RAS. Reasonable, articulable suspicion that you've committed a crime. The stop and ID state terminology is a misnomer. You guys don't fall for the trap. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because you will learn your rights and you'll know what to do and say when you're being accosted by police. All right, folks, let's get right to it.
Intersection of Caldwell and Hickory. Hey, man. What you doing?
Does it really matter?
Yeah, what you doing?
Why does it matter?
Parking in an empty parking lot. Following my officers around.
Is that a crime?
And then pulling into random driveways. What are you doing?
Is that a crime?
What are you doing?
Grubhub.
You're not Grubhubbing.
Yes, I am. I got it up right
there.
there. And what's this stop for?
Suspicious behavior.
Suspicious is not a crime.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Call a supervisor, please.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Call a supervisor, please.
Do you have your driver's license?
I don't feel comfortable reaching around.
You can either produce a ID or you can go to jail for failure ID.
So
which one do you want?
This isn't a stop and identify state.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Produce your ID.
Under threat of arrest, I have to produce it. So you're under threat of arrest. If I don't produce it, you're going to arrest me.
If you do not produce an ID, it is a crime.
There's no such thing.
Look it up, guy.
If I don't produce it what crime have I committed to produce it?
What's your name?
What crime have I produced?
What's your name?
What crime?
You're part of that freedom to film, aren't you?
What crime?
You're part of that freedom to film, aren't you?
What crime have I committed? And what's your name and badge number?
Alright. Stop following my officer around.
What crime is that? The walk of shame. Walk of shame. Walk of shame.
They say we're not supposed to ask you guys to subscribe to our channel. Instead, they say to give you a reason to. You see, Christian Gordon, he watches my channel and channels like mine. And because he subscribed a long time ago, he knew exactly what to do and say when the police accosted him. If you guys don't know your rights, police will take advantage of you, without a doubt. Police are actually trained to make you believe that you have to identify upon request. Did you know that? Well, now that you know, make sure you hit that like button. This man was just sitting in a parking lot minding his own business. And keep in mind, folks, that recording cops is part of the First Amendment. Freedom of press is part of the First Amendment. You don't need press credentials or a press pass to record in public. And the Supreme Court has already ruled that we can record cops in the course of their duties. So if you want to go out there and record cops, that is your business, folks. And it's none of their business. This cop did not have RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion that this man committed a crime, nor did he have SAF, SAF, a single articulable fact. There's no witnesses. There's absolutely no proof that this man committed a crime. That's why the cop had no choice but to tuck tail and do the walk of shame. With that being said, we're going to drop this guy's original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment for you guys. Make sure to go subscribe and say hello. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.